Hello everyone, Gabanda here. In this video I will show an interesting and relatively rare type of BiLock lock, BiLock. It is a 8-pin camlock. It has 2 rows of pins, 4 pins in each row, which interact with the sidebars on both sides of the plug. The pins in this lock do not have force gates, however they behave as heavily tapered and need to be corrected several times and kept in relatively heavy tension to keep them in the proper position. So that's how it works. Here we have the key. Okay, so let's see the guts. So here are the guts from this camlock. As you can see, there are 8 pins on each. There are 8 pins, and on each of them you can see we have only a through gate. Yeah, on each pin we have only through gate into which the sidebar tabs retract. Here you can see 4 sidebar tabs. When all 4 pins are set in a correct height, then the sidebar can hide in its groove. This groove here is in both sides of the plug. Here we have 8 keeping chambers. Here we have the housing with 2 grooves for the sidebar, and that is what the key looks like. As you can see in the left row, first 2 pins are maximum lift, the third pin is about halfway up, and the fourth is minimal lift. In the right row, pin number 2 is cutted minimally, while the others, number 1, 3 and 4, are maximum lift. So that will be all from the internals. Let's pick this lock. Okay, this is a BiLock 8-pin camlock. So let's pick. All these pins acts very tapered. Number 3 on the right side, number 4, number 1, and I think the right side is okay. Now the left side, number 4 is minimal lift, number 3 medium, number 2 very high, number 1 as well, and we have an open. So now let's gut this lock. here we have the one sidebar and the second sidebar. Now pins. Okay, so here we have the core or plug, or here we have all the pins. There is no false gates. Okay, so this is the BiLock 8-pin Camlock. Pick it and got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.